Hey guys, been out here working in my shop for a couple hours this morning. I think it's about 8 o'clock on Saturday morning. And before I go in and warm up a little bit, it's really cold here. I just wanted to let everyone know about a class I'm doing on Tuesday night. We're going to be talking about essentially a covered call strategy, but the way I was able to utilize that to leverage a position in space that actually picked up a lot of money. Now it's kind of an odd trade. These things don't happen very often, but at one point in time it was up 4,400%, and I've made 5 figures on this trade in just one trade. And it's actually something I continue to hold, although it's pulled back, because it's actually a free trade at this point. So I wanted to talk about how I do that and show you guys how sometimes longer term trades can be one of those great things that you can support the lifestyle, the things that you want to do, and don't have to be staring at a computer all day long. I'm also going to talk about a trade I just recently closed in GE. Made 64% on that trade. Longer term trade, and we'll talk about some other things in those positions. So I hope you join me. Click the link right here to the right of me. Click that link and come on over. It'll be Tuesday evening at 8 p.m. Eastern. Hope to see you there. Everyone take care. Have a great weekend.